Hi guys, welcome to the video. Quick mess, let's try it again. Right. I'm jamming. What's happening? Alright, so we are solving for x. This is an inequality solve for x. This can be quite tricky and they have like 4 marks, sometimes three, it depends. Alright, so the first thing that I'm actually going to do is to divide by negative. Don't ask me why. I'm kidding, guys. Simply because I don't like working with uh, a quadratic equation that has maybe a negative for a. I don't like that because you know that there's a 1 here, right? So I don't like it when there's negative 1 here. Rather, it must be the other way around. Right, let's go. We are now going to say divide by negative 1. um so we have x squared plus 3x. Now this is going to change everything. When I say it's going to change everything, I mean that it definitely changed the x squared. It did change the minus 3x. It's also going to change this, so it's going to be um 0, right? That's how it's going to be now. So I'm simply going to say CV. The CV stands for critical values. I just don't know what's critical about this thing, but yeah, it's the values that are critical. You have to find them. Right, so now whenever you say CV, you are allowed to actually put an equal sign, just like this. X squared plus 3x is equal to 0. Now you solve for x into x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 0, or x is equal to minus 3. Right, now I have to do this. I'm going to also show you the other way. So this is 0 and this is minus 3. So the way you arrange the numbers is the way they would actually be in a number line. Let's say you are having a positive a, like we have. Simply put positive here and positive here, right? Don't ask too much. I also learned this trick like that. They just told me to do it, right? And a minus here, right? Now the reason why we are going to do that is the following, right? This is my little sister's calculator, guys. The glitters, please donate money so I can buy a calculator. Yeah, right. So we are simply going to look for a number that is actually less than negative 3, and we are going to substitute it into this equation, and so that we can actually see if the numbers going to this side are positive or negative. All right, so I'm just gonna say positive 4 and I'm gonna substitute here. All right, so I mean negative 4. Negative 4, where there's x, so minus 4 plus 3, it's positive 4. Right, so that's why I put positive here. And if you maybe choose a number that's greater than 3, let's pick at least minus 1, right? Minus 1, it's negative, just like I told you. And if maybe we could pick a number that's greater than 0, like 1, guys, it's positive. So I'm saying to you, avoid the BS. And whenever you are having a as a positive value like we have here, just put positive here and positive here and then negative here. And now you go back to this inequality sign and you read what it says, right? And in this case, it says x has to be less than 0, right? So let's see. Where is x less than 0? The only time x is less than 0 is if it's negative. So I'm actually going to draw a line here. This is why I draw the line. So the other way is to draw a parabola like this, and I think you've seen that they shade. I don't do it, by the way, I'm just showing you. And but I just think that uh already you have seen that they shade, and it's either they shade like this, or here. Now, how do you know what to shade? If they say they want where x is less than 0, you are going to shade here. So in this case, we are going to shade here. But if ever they say they want where x is greater than 0, maybe this sign was like, you see, so you were going to say, you're going to shade here. So now you conclude by saying that you just interpret this graph, maybe, right? You can say that x x is less than 0, but x is greater than -3. Yeah, and there you go, you have yourself full marks. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna see you next time. This was actually a horrible video to shoot simply because I'm being disturbed by a fly. So if you appreciate my effort, hit that like button, and if you found value in this video, you click that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna see you next time, and I just hope that there's no flies next time. Yo, hi.